A breakthrough in the battle to contain the Ebola outbreak in East Africa. GlaxoSmithKline is gearing up for the first human trials of a vaccine for the Ebola virus. Shares of Glaxo rose nearly 0.5% today on that news. Meg Terrell has more on the growing Ebola crisis and what a successful vaccine could mean for Glaxo and the other drug makers.
The Ebola outbreak continues to accelerate. The World Health Organization says 40% of the cases occurred in just the last 3 weeks. The organization today outlined an Ebola response roadmap with a goal of stopping the virus's spread in affected countries within 6 to 9 months and preventing international spread. The plan assumes that overall cases may actually be 2 to 4-fold higher than what's currently reported and says the total number infected could top 20,000 over the course of the outbreak. This for a disease with a 52% reported fatality rate. The WHO put a budget of $490 million on the plan. Separately, news came today on a potential vaccine. Testing in people is scheduled to start next week on an Ebola vaccine being co-developed by GlaxoSmithKline and the National Institutes of Health. Results are expected by the end of this year. GlaxoSmithKline said that with a grant from the Wellcome Trust and others in the UK, it'll begin manufacturing an additional 10,000 doses. So if the trials are successful, stocks could be made available immediately to the WHO. Donna Altenpole, Vice President of U.S. Public Policy at GlaxoSmithKline, described the goal of the studies.
What we're really looking for is for any adverse side effects, as well as is it producing the immune response that we need to help control and prevent the Ebola disease. That should happen at the end of 2014, and then it will be up to the World Health Organization what to do after that. Will we go into phase 2? Or will they make the decision to actually use the vaccine in high-risk populations, particularly healthcare workers?
Any commercial opportunity for a vaccine remains uncertain. One reason few pharmaceutical companies have worked in the space. Groups in the UK also plan to test the vaccine, and the NIH says it has plans to test a second potential Ebola vaccine from New Link Genetics later this year. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Meg Terrell.